Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the MODKAT Litter Box Kit, Best Automatic Cat Litter Box. MODKAT Litter Box is a graceful and elegant litter box that is available in 5 hues. This cutting-edge layout with dimension of 16x16x15 can blend into any room and won't take an awful lot area. You don't want to fear about muddle monitoring and stray muddle because the MODKAT's muddle field does this job of cleaning effectively. Its top entry design and walk-off mat allows the litter to be in the field and off your kitty's paws. You can without difficulty dispose waste and refresh the clutter with this unique design. You simply ought to eliminate the reusable liner, then empty the top off with fresh muddle in addition. It traps unpleasant odors in the box, so in case you are a chunk late for a muddle exchange, you won't even notice it. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CATIT Jumbo Hooded Cat Litter Pan. This cat muddle field is the most famous one most of the muddle box collection. Having huge wide variety of nice critiques, this clutter container is the most durable, nice budget and biggest length litter box for cats. Reportedly said, this litter box contained the cat's messes heading off litter monitoring. Because this litter box is so big, its dimensions are 22.4 x 18.3 x 17. It's quality for families with multiple cats, very big cats or cats that respect a touch extra space with a theory doing their enterprise. Despite its large length, this muddle container is wonderful, easy to easy and refresh with new muddle. At number 3, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Cats are cute. They make an extraordinary pet. It is very vital to preserve the cat satisfied. It is very smooth to groom the cat about littering conduct. They may be taught where to head and which place to use once they need to muddle. It is notably essential to hold the clutter container smooth every time the cat makes use of it. The cats don't decide on using the untidy and the unclean muddle containers, as it's miles a hard thing to preserve it smooth. Consequently, the cat cleaners are searching out a few quality computerized litter container. There is a number of fine self-cleansing litter packing containers available. They are wonderful for unmarried cats and for more than one cats. It is not clean to get preserve over the top rated clutter containers. If a cat proprietor is striving difficult to discover that was the first-rate cat clutter box, then he tests all possible options of the electric self-scooping litter field. In this, look for the inside track unfastened litter field. You can use the excessive tech choice as the PetSafe ScoopFree. At number 2, we have the Petmate High Back Litter Pan. Color may vary. What is the quality cat muddle box? If you're a cat owner, then this question will remember to you a high quality deal. Some cat owners will select getting the quality computerized litter box and a few will choose buying the pleasant self-cleansing muddle field. Cleanliness of the house and the pets are good sized, mainly for multiple cats. For people who need most cleanliness within the minimal feasible time, might pick to buy an electric litter pan that could be a self-scooping muddle field. The Scoop unfastened litter field is also there in the marketplace on this high-tech world. These car scooping clutter bins work just like the clutter robotic. For problem unfastened clutter cleaning, many puppy owners purchase a muddle system. This is motorized. In this global of technology, in case you are searching forward to pinnacle rated cat genie that would not want common rotating and is easy to clean litter box that is larger than the standard manually wiped clean muddle packing containers, then it's far better to get the high back wave pan via the Petmate. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nature's Miracle Disposable Litter Box for all litter types. If you very own a cat or cats, the most vital issue is the cleanliness of the cat. If the cat clutter isn't eliminated nicely, it may be truly tricky for both the pet and the residents of the house. For folks that keep away from cleansing the clutter machine time and again, there are a few superb high-tech, electric or electronic, self-scooping muddle field and Scoop the Free Litter field. There are several top-rated automobile scooping muddle structures for an unmarried cat and also for a couple of cats. If you are searching out some fine automatic litter field or high-quality self-cleaning litter container, however you can't not have enough money a motorized litter container, then there's nothing to worry. You can get a manual cat genie with the brand name Nature's Miracle Disposable Litter Box. Does it have all of the answers to the query that was the satisfactory cat litter box? It is taken into consideration as one of the highest rated easy to clean litter container for kitty. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this self-cleaning litter boxes, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.